everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have got a simple linking equation that will really test your algebra skill. So the question is x times x equal x plus x. So at first glance it looks easy, but let's see how it really goes. So we are told the product of x taken as x square, and here x plus x I can write it as 2x. Now to solve, let's rearrange the equation. X square minus 2x equals 0. Now notice we can take x as common. So here it becomes x minus 2 equals 0. So now solve each factor. So first x equals 0 and second x minus 2 equals 0. From here x is equals to 2. So the solutions are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Yes, two possible answer. So friends, this question shows us how a simple linking equation can actually hide two different solutions. So did you guess them all correctly? Comment down below which one you found first, 0 or 2. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed solving this and subscribe for more math questions every day.